Hey guys, I'm Sonika. I recently went for a one-day trip to Bhandardara and I took a lot of pictures there with my humble mobile phone Samsung M32. Bhandardara is a beautiful hill station nestled in the Sahyadri ranges and lakes. So let me show you my 10 best photos clicked at Bhandardara with my mobile phone. Let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. So let me show you my 10 best photos guys. In these photos, I focused more on the compositions than the techniques. Okay. So I'll take you through my thought process of each photo as I show you them in the video. And I have edited them a bit in Photoshop. Basic color correction only. I have not done any manipulation to them at all. And so now enough talking. Let me show you my 10 best photos.
Here is the beautiful Wilson Dam with a super cool panoramic view. So let me click a panorama. This is the beautiful Arthur Lake where most of the campsites at Bhandardara are located. It is a site for sunrise. This time including a foreground in the form of this plant. So here I have the foreground, middle ground and background. This tree gives me a beautiful rule of thirds composition where my tree is placed at the spot where these lines meet. With a cup of tea. Let me take another panorama of the entire camping site. Where there is water, there will be reflections as well. More reflections of this beautiful scenery at golden hour. Our tents in the foreground with hills on the background having the early morning sun on them. More foreground, middle ground and background.
So guys, I had a lot of fun clicking pictures with my mobile phone. And yeah, you don't necessarily need heavy equipment and cameras to click photos. You can definitely manage with your mobile phone. Having a camera is always a great advantage. If you have it, of course you should use it. But mobile phones work too. And if you found this video to be useful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. There is my previous mobile photography video. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.